big story that we are tracking, of course, is what the Madras High Court has said as far as the burial of Armstrong is concerned. He will be buried at a private land. The High Court has denied Armstrong's burial at the BSP office. The High Court has said that the burial will have to take place in Thiruvarur district, as they fear that the procession might not be peaceful if he is allowed to be buried at the party office. The High Court has said that the procession ought to be held peacefully. Now, the Madras High Court permitted the burial of Armstrong's mortal remains in a 1-acre private land in adjoining Thiruvarur district. The local panchayat has adopted a resolution in this regard. The judge has said that the procession ought to be held peacefully. The court has upholded the government's denial of permission to bury Armstrong in the BSP's Chennai office. This, of course, is the latest that is in fact coming in. My colleague Sam Daniel, who's been tracking the details of this story, has more.
We come to you from the school where the mortal remains of Armstrong has been kept for public viewing. A large number of people are lining up, and if everything works well, in another half an hour to 1 hour, the mortal remains will lead towards Thiruvarur. It will take around 2 hours at least from Chennai to that particular place, the neighboring district of Koottur Estate. Then by early evening or late in the evening, you can have fights done in terms of burial. The court did not permit burial of the mortal remains at the BSP office at Perambur in Chennai, which is on a one-ground plot. And the corporation authorities cited rules saying it's a congested, densely populated residential area, and that will not be conducive to burying his mortal remains there. The corporation offered 3 other sites, but the family wanted a larger space so that they were able to raise the memorial later. And now a private land, a 1-acre property has been chosen, and the required amendments have been brought about in the local panchayat, and the court has permitted the mortal remains to be buried there. And the court has also said the procession from here to Thiruvarur ought to be peaceful, and if at all they would like to raise a memorial like a hospital in the name of Armstrong in Chennai, they can always approach the government. So even as hundreds of people wait here to bid goodbye, the announcements here indicate that the mortal remains could leave in less than 1 hour from here. And in terms of the investigation, the police have arrested 8 people and have detained 3 others. And they say the motive behind the murder is revenge killing in connection with the murder of a rowdy called Arkat Suresh, who was hacked to death in Chennai last year. And investigators say the family of Arkat Suresh have been harboring and suspecting that Armstrong was behind the murder. That's why exactly on the birth anniversary of Arkat Suresh, they have carried out this particular murder. So investigation is underway, but police have ruled out it's a political murder.
And while there have been sharp reactions from the quarters of the opposition as well, with several questioning why the burial was permitted on a private land, and also questioning parallelly the law and order situation prevailing in the state of Tamil Nadu. Listen in.
We are strongly believe Tamil Nadu police. Tamil Nadu police equal to Scotland police, we strongly believe. But preliminary investigation, 8 plus 3, 11 people arrested by city police. So is there real culprit or not, we don't know. But family members, BSP party cadres strongly believe somebody is beyond this murder. That investigation going on, investigation officers should tell the people, they bring the truth to the people. This is our demand. Okay.
जिस तरीके से हमारे स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट की हत्या की गई है उनके घर के बाहर, तो उससे ऐसा लगता है कि आपके तमिलनाडु स्टेट में कानून व्यवस्था नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है। और इतना ही नहीं, मुझे ये भी मालूम हुआ कि जिन्होंने हत्या की है अभी तक वो असली जो अपराधी है वो पकड़े नहीं गए हैं। केवल खाना पूर्ति के लिए कुछ कर लिए हैं असली अपराधी अब नहीं पकड़े गए हैं।